PLIDCO Flange is much like our weld-end coupling, and it is in fact, it is a half of a weld-end coupling with a ANSI flange welded to it. It enables you to make up a joint very quickly by keeping your downtime to a bare minimum by using a mechanical joint to mate up to an existing flange joint. You have a plain end pipe you need to tie into that valve and you cannot weld.
They always have areas where you cannot weld. And if you need to make a connection, PLIDCO Flange is your solution. It's the only solution.
Often used in expansion projects in refineries, chemical plants, petrochemical plants. Also used in fuel hydrant systems where they're putting valves in, valve pits in the airports.
We are the specified fitting for airport expansions.
The PLIDCO Flange has been used for many, many years in these applications. It's proven itself to be one of the safest out there. Just by the nature of its design and use, it contains any flammable vapors before you ever strike an arc.